Calçada to Amparo. So we're gonna head up this way to Sao Paulo ruins. Oh, they changed us. It's all vending machines now. We'll explore that too. Okay. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, this is actually all, this was a Turkish Istanbul place not too long ago. And these beautiful buildings. Food truck is a great place. I definitely want to go in there, but I don't want to go in there right now. So we're going to film a little bit. But I do want to check out. The lighting is still amazing. These little temples. Oh, okay. So they got kind of like Instagrammable stuff right here, which is kind of funny because you got this stuff everywhere, just authentic, real stuff. But this is kind of like they transformed this into kind of an art street, art alley. As you can see. Oh. Cool. So yeah, I think there was they kind of transformed this little alley. Sub 8. Oh, they're transforming this too. Whoa, I didn't see this before. Barrio do Amparo. This is all new in here. Whoa. You got Halloween stuff in here. Huh. Yeah, this little part of Macau is turning into something really special. Time Museum, 1869. Oh. Huh. I know I filmed it. I've been in here before. I walked down the street, and this is all brand new. I never saw that time museum before. It's quite a little change. Wow. I don't know if it's better to film at nighttime or daytime, but right now my camera is amazing at nighttime. Daytime, sometimes all the colors don't really come out. Everything's kind of washed out with the sun, right? Oh wow, right now. Oh, there we go. Little shop. They also call this street Portuguese Street, and it's going to come up to Sao Paulo ruins. So you can see, you know, the touristic value of it is pretty amazing, right? Because you're going to be able to visit. There's Portuguese Street right there. Dear body. So we're going to be heading up that way in a second. And that's where we're just coming from right there. Dear body, London, okay. Oh, I guess that's perfume, soaps. Okay. Then we're gonna come out up here. So that was our little street, kind of like sometimes they call it Portuguese Street as well. So and that's where yeah, it's a nice little area. But we're gonna go show you Sao Paulo ruins as well. So let's go over this way and then we'll end it at Sao Paulo ruins. That's so nice out. Great night for filming, wow. So we basically went down that way. And here's Sao Paulo ruins. So there we go. So yeah, it's nice in here. Got this beautiful, this is now like Uniqlo. So it used to be like historical building and then I think Uniqlo bought it and they transformed it all into Uniqlo, kind of a shopping space. And that was the street that we went down, was straight down that way. So, okay. And Sao Paulo ruins. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha.